Where's the fork? I found something. Something beautiful.
Okay, so it's finally December holidays. 10 months late. My brother has been hounding me to watch Gravity Falls for a while, this show over here. So I finally caved in December and I decided to watch it. I ended up watching it with my two little sisters. Say Salaams.
Salaams.
It took us around 1.5 weeks to watch it, and honestly, I could have finished it probably in 3 days, but wanted to watch it together, so we had to be strong. And oh my lord, we loved it. That's me sobbing for the ending. I cried 4 times. It's just such a beautiful show, And if I was smart enough, I'd make a video essay on it. But since I'm not brainy and I'm pretty dumb, that's me. I decided to channel my energies into something else, making art. This part in particular stuck with me. The mystery shack in the darkness of night, full of delicious ambience, My favorite characters of the show, man, it's too difficult to choose a single one, and they all look so good. But if I were to choose 3, I'd choose Mabel, Waddles, and Zeus. I love them so much. Grunkelstein is a very close favorite as well, but they're all special in their own way. Even though I'm an old man now, I still enjoyed watching the show. It's just so charming, I don't know what else to say about it. This environment took a collective of like 1.5 months, cause I only sat with it on and off. Work and university is taxing, my dudes. Also, I've picked up writing, so that's fun. It's something to take my mind off the day-to-day, and I find it a nice way to just breathe and relax. Anyways, here's my rendition of the Mystery Shack. I've added a little bit of myself in it as well, and obviously I can't compare it to the actual show because they are experts and I'm just a fork doing nonsense over here, but I'm happy with how it turned out. If you guys know any shows like Gravity Falls, please put them in the comments. I need to watch it in the holidays, of course. Not in the school days, but in the holidays, please. Thank you. Anyways, that's it for me. Bye-bye.